welcome back to my channel. I want to get started on the shower. There's a couple things that I need to do. As of right now, I'm only going to do the tile on the edges of the shower. So I'm going to start at the bottom first, right here, and then I'm going to go right here and right here. Okay. I don't want to do the rest of the shower yet. It's a natural stone, a marble tile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it. I'm going to see if it fits the edge the way I want it to. And I think this is the rough end where you're going to put your thin set, your mortar. And this is the smooth side, okay? So I'm gonna lay it down like that. Yeah. Now I wanna see how it's gonna look like right here. And then like that. It's just gonna go right there, all the way up, and then right there, all the way down, all the way up, and then that's it. The rest, everything else for now is, I'm just gonna clean it. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. In order to clean the shower and get off this rubbery stuff, this one was only about $2. It was $1.98. So pretty cheap, and it's easier to take the blades out individually, and it comes with a couple of them already in here. Has to be a faster way to get this gunk off, because I'm kind of hurting my fingers on the blade. I'm gonna do baking soda and oil. And now on here, I want to show you the materials. The first thing that we're going to be using is the Mortar. So this is the thin set. The first thing that we're going to put to stick the tiles onto the shower. And then the next thing, this is the grout. So this is what we're going to put over the tile in between the cracks to seal it all in there. This is a sponge that you're gonna need. These are the spacers, 3mm. This is for the grout. This is for the thin set. And these are the tiles that I'm going to be putting on the shower, just on the edging, so the border of the shower. It's the natural stone. It's marble tile. I purchased all of this at Lowe's. This was about $120. This was about $40, $50 more. If you want to check out the Dollar Tree first for some of these simpler items, I would definitely do that. It's up to you. So the directions here say to add the water and then add the thin set. I'm gonna do it the other way around just because I've seen this done before and it's just a lot easier to put in the thin set first and then add the water as you go. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. When you go ahead and do this, sure I sound muffled. I went ahead and I put a mask on. Stuff throws up a lot of powder, so just make sure that you're wearing a mask. I'm slowly pouring in the water and mixing. I don't have one of those mixing things, so I'm just gonna use this. It works for the paint, so I figured it should work. You're just gonna go ahead and keep mixing till it looks like peanut butter. Now that it's creamy like peanut butter, it says to wait about 5 minutes. So we're gonna come back in about 5 minutes and stir it again. It's been about 5 minutes. Mix it again, a couple drops of water. And then I mixed it. I don't know about you guys, it looks like peanut butter to me. I think we're ready.
We're ready to tile, but before you do that, you need to deep clean your shower. So watch my previous video where I show you exactly how to do that. If you don't deep clean your shower, then the tiles won't stick properly.
Okay, so make sure you have a rag and warm water. made a line with the blade, and then I put one on top of the other, and then just gently I put my weight on it, and then it broke. Metal filer, wet it, and then you just start filing it. You're just gonna try to make sure you get all the air bubbles or whatever you call it out from behind there. So just kind of move it around. And then you're gonna get the stuff off. And you can either put it on top up here, you can throw it back in the bucket. It's up to you. Finish this project.
Why, Mommy?
Make sure you record it, Poppy. Please, thank you. Okay, this is what we got so far. We have this side, and now Miguel's gonna work on this side because I need to go to a meeting in Temecula. So if you're a dummy and you mess up like me, let's see if we can redeem ourselves. I don't like how this one looks, so I'm gonna replace it. I'm gonna try to at least. I don't know if it's gonna work. This. I'm just gonna loosen it. Awesome. Cool, got it. Stuff back on. How about this? Try not to mess up the first time. There we go. Dun da da da. Should have worn gloves because it's all over me. That's okay. So now, let's see if these fit. Oh God, I don't think it's gonna fit. Okay, it's gonna fit on this side. Yeah, we're gonna make it fit. Let's just, oh, here's the mallet. Okay, so we finished this one side, the bottom, and that side. Tomorrow is the grouting. Thank you for watching DIY with Lauren.
In the next video, I appreciate all of you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and stay current with all my videos.